Now let's see, this is the true solution in which if I pass a laser light, you are unable to see the path of the light. Now I'll add one drop of Dettol which acts like colloidal solution, and in the colloidal solution you can see the path of the light clearly. Why the path is visible in colloidal solution? Because the particles so as I was describing, when you add the Dettol in the water, it becomes colloidal solution, and you can see now in the colloidal solutions the path of the light is clearly visible. So why it is visible in colloidal solution? Because it is scattering the light. The particles of the true solutions, they are very minute in size, therefore they cannot scatter the light, whereas the particles of the colloidal solution is big enough to scatter the light. So that is why you are able to see the path of the laser light clearly in the colloidal solutions. So this is only known as Tyndall effect. Even nature can also exhibit this Tyndall effect. If you observe the sunlight that comes through the canopy, and you will see this kind of scattering of light clearly in nature also. So this simple activity explains the Tyndall effect or the scattering of